problems of correcting SCID using stem cells. Hematopoietic stem cells are the stem cells that found in the bone marrow and have lifelong self-renewal and differentiation. They are able to develop into different types of blood cells. Hematopoietic stem cells transplantation is the process of taking HSCs from one person and re-establish them into another person whose bone marrow is damaged. HSCT is an effective approach for SCID treatment. The first problem is failure of HSCs engraftment because bone marrow of SCID patient is full of their own damaged stem cells that cause the HSCs cannot find any place to establish themselves. So there will be failure of supply of lymphoid lineages and impairment of T cell function in SCID patient. Another situation is patient have immune system left after transplantation, so T cells recognize allogenic graft as foreign material and specific case is NK type of SCID patient. Second problem is risk of graft versus host disease. Mature T cells from donor that develop after transplant perceive the host tissues as foreign and attack them. So the problem here is the lack of suitable donor for the patient and must identify a matched donor. A matched donor is whose HLA same with those of the recipients. The compatibility of HLA is vital to determine the chance of engraftment. At the same time, keep the risk of GVHD low. However, if a perfect match cannot be identified, can use haploidentical donor. That is a good question. The problem is mature T cells in bone marrow of haploidentical parent would able to recognize HLA alleles unique to the patient and cause GVHD. Third problem is a slow immune reconstitution. Antibody production after HSCT for SCID depends on specific form of SCID and on type of donor, whether a matched or haploidentical donor. This is because normalization of antibody production occurs in some but not all patients. Fourthly is poor health of SCID patients during HSCT may lower the duration of survival. So good health and free from infection at time of transplantation is important for high survival. Survival is very good in infants with SCID who receive HSCT early.